Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, allergies. If you're tired of sneezing, itching, and feeling miserable, stick around because we've got some great tips for you. We've all seen firsthand how allergies can really impact someone's quality of life. It's more than just a stuffy nose. It's about feeling your best and being able to enjoy the things you love without feeling bogged down. That's why we're going to break down the common causes of allergies, discuss their effects on your body, and most importantly, give you some practical solutions to find relief. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Let's talk about those pesky things that trigger our allergies. First up, we've got pollen, those tiny grains released by trees, grasses, and weeds. When pollen gets into the air, it can wreak havoc on our sinuses. Then there are dust mites, microscopic creatures that live in dust. They love warm, humid places like bedding, carpets, and upholstered furniture. And guess what? Their waste can trigger allergic reactions. And who doesn't love a furry friend? But for some of us, pet dander, which is made up of tiny flakes of skin shed by animals like cats and dogs, can cause those familiar allergy symptoms. And let's not forget about certain foods. Common culprits include peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, soy, wheat, fish, and shellfish. Food allergies can be serious, even life-threatening, so it's important to be aware of your triggers. So what's actually happening in our bodies when we encounter these allergens? Well, our immune system, which is usually our protector, mistakes these harmless substances as dangerous invaders. Think of it like this. Your immune system is like a security guard, always on the lookout for threats. But sometimes it overreacts, mistaking a harmless visitor, like pollen, for a dangerous intruder. This overreaction leads to the release of histamine and other chemicals that cause those uncomfortable symptoms we associate with allergies. It's like your body is waging a war against something that's not actually a threat. Understanding your triggers is the first step in managing your allergies. Once you know what sets you off, you can take steps to avoid those triggers or minimize your exposure. Okay, so we've talked about the triggers, but what about those annoying and sometimes even debilitating symptoms? Allergies can manifest in so many ways and it varies from person to person. The classics are the sneezes, the itchy, watery eyes, and the runny nose, all thanks to that histamine I mentioned earlier. It's like your body is trying to flush out the allergen, leading to all that congestion. But allergies can go beyond those typical symptoms. Some people experience skin reactions like hives, eczema, or even swelling. These skin reactions can be itchy, uncomfortable, and sometimes even painful. And then there's the impact on sleep, energy levels, and overall well-being. If you're constantly battling allergy symptoms, it's no wonder you might feel drained and run down. Imagine trying to function when you're constantly battling a stuffy nose, itchy eyes, and fatigue. It's exhausting. For some people, allergies can also trigger asthma symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. This happens when the airways become inflamed and constricted, making it difficult to breathe. And let's not forget about the emotional toll allergies can take. Dealing with chronic allergy symptoms can be frustrating, isolating, and even embarrassing. It's important to remember that everyone experiences allergies differently. What might be a minor annoyance for one person could be a major disruption for another. The key takeaway here is that if you're experiencing any symptoms that you think might be related to allergies, it's crucial to talk to your doctor. They can help you determine the cause of your symptoms and recommend the best course of treatment. Okay, so how do we fight back against these allergy attackers? The good news is there are plenty of things you can do to find relief and start feeling like yourself again. First and foremost, let's talk about air purifiers. These handy devices can help remove allergens from the air, making it easier to breathe. Look for purifiers with HEPA filters, as they're designed to trap even the smallest particles. During peak allergy season, keeping your windows closed can make a big difference. I know it's tempting to let in the fresh air, but that's like rolling out the welcome mat for pollen and other allergens. And speaking of keeping allergens out, make sure to wash your bedding frequently in hot water. This helps kill dust mites and remove pet dander that might be lurking in your sheets and blankets. Over-the-counter medications like antihistamines and nasal corticosteroids can also provide relief. Antihistamines block the effects of histamine, while nasal corticosteroids reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Saline nasal sprays are a great natural remedy for congestion. They work by flushing out allergens and mucus from the nasal passages. Plus, they're gentle enough for everyday use. And don't underestimate the power of a warm, soothing shower or bath. The steam can help open up your airways and loosen mucus, providing some much-needed relief. If you're dealing with food allergies, being vigilant about reading food labels is crucial. Pay close attention to ingredient lists and avoid cross-contamination when preparing food. And finally, if your allergies are severe or significantly impacting your quality of life, talk to your doctor about allergy testing and immunotherapy. These treatments can help desensitize your body to specific allergens over time. Remember, managing allergies is a journey, and it might take some trial and error to find what works best for you. But with the right tools and strategies, you can take back control and breathe easy. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you find some relief from your allergies. Don't let those pesky allergens hold you back from living your life to the fullest. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing allergies. By understanding your triggers, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive steps, you can minimize the impact allergies have on your life. Don't forget to check the links in the video description for more ways to deal with this issue. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. What are some of your go-to allergy relief methods? Let us know in the comments below.